Hello boys, this is your boys Frank the Tank coming at you live, and I'm going to show you a little tutorial on how to fix a dead controller, and I'm going to go show you how it's dead. Come here. If this is the problem that you're having, then I'll fix your solution. You got to go hit the home button. The PS3 is on, but it works, but you can only press this, and look, it's not even on, but it's working. That means it's dead. So, since it's dead, come over here, take your controller, it's not fucking working, get your main charging piece, like this, your one that it came with, and I don't know, I want to come over here, and put you down real quick, plug it into the controller like this, set it on the bed, and if you have a computer that you can plug the cord into, that's what you need. So as you can see, the little slot is back here, right in that one. So set it up just like that, and you guys can see if it turns on when I plug it in. So first it was no light. Now I plugged it in, still no light. And now, once we do that, take this one out, right here, put it into the blue one, and it's still going to show nothing. So now next, you're going to open up the computer, access it, and now once you access it, I was on Sony. So then once you access it, it'll still show no power at all. Now is when you need something that's very thin. So what I'm using is this, a pencil, just a mechanical pencil, and let's open it up. You see that little piece right there? You can use this, or you can bend a paper clip, whatever you'd like. Doesn't really matter. Just something that is thin enough to stick in this tiny little reset hole. And the reset hole is right there. Yep, right there. So, you're going to press it and hold it for 30 seconds. Once you hear the click, start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Let go. Once you let go, you'll hear another click. You look at the controller, and it has charged. That is how it works. And it's plugged into the computer. Has charged now, and so now it'll work. So you can just take out your controller, take this little cable, and go plug it into your PS3, and boom, you're fixed the dead controller. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out. Peace.